Akwaaba. Ghana, the gateway to Africa. Freedom and justice. The land of gold and cocoa. Let's discover the undiscovered cultures, styles, and tradition.
Join us this December on the Renaissance Journey, the Black Star Channel.